Hi guys, today we are going to solve the first challenge. The name of the challenge is class versus instance. Okay, let's get started. So we have a class called person, and in a person we should create a variable called age. Okay. In order to create that variable, we need to go to the constructor. In the constructor, we should check the initial age. If the initial age is a negative, then we are going to initialize that age to 0 and print age is not valid, setting age to 0. Okay, so let's get started. So we should control the initial age. If initial age is less than 0, then alter the value of initial age and print the message print age is not valid, comma, setting age to 0. First step. Okay. After that, we are going to initialize our age, self.age with initial age. Okay, so first part is done. Then we have your passes function, and you should increase age instance with 1. Okay, so self.age is equal to self.age plus 1. We are increasing the current user's age, the current object's age. So in order to do that, we should put this self keyword. Okay, then we have another function called mi_alt. You should perform 3 operations. If age is less than 13, it should print you are young. If self.age is less than 13, print you are young. You are young. Okay. Well, if the age is between 13 and 18, you should print you are a teenager. Self age is greater and equal than 13 and less than 18. Self dot age is less than 18. Then print you are a teenager. Otherwise, else, print you are old. You are old. Okay, so let's review our code. Okay, let's run code. Okay, it's a sample test case passed. Now let's submit the code. Okay, great. So we have solved this challenge. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to practice by yourself, please try a random challenge. See you in the next video. Bye.